Are you suffering from peripheral neuropathy? I'm really excited to share some amazing about the new treatment for neuropathy. It's actually pretty awesome. Company has been working hard and they have come up with something that's showing really promising results. 4 out of 5 people who have tried it noted a big improvement in their neuropathy symptoms. Some folks have even felt their feet again, gotten better balance, stopped taking as much medication, and some have even started dancing again. As a doctor, one of the most impressive aspects I have found about the laser treatment comes from the study titled Efficacy of Low-Level Laser Therapy on Painful Diabetic Peripheral Neuropathy that was published in October 2nd, 2015. The laser was performed on 19 diabetic patients with neuropathy, and the result is that significant reduction in pain level from average of 7 down to 1, and vibration threshold perception level went down from 32 to 24. A lot of people with diabetic neuropathy use medication to help manage the pain and other issues. But these meds don't fix the real problem. Unfortunately, these medications do not solve, stop, or reverse the actual nerve damage. They just make it easier to live with. By keeping diabetes under control and doing exercise, you can slow down how fast neuropathy gets worse. But now, with this new treatment, we might actually be able to make things better for people with neuropathy. Neuropathy happens when nerves get damaged, especially from diabetes. It mostly affects your feet, legs, hands, and arms. Symptoms can be all sorts of things like numbness, tingling, burning, and sometimes real bad pain. As it gets worse, it can mess up with your balance and make it harder to do everyday things like walking, driving, or even sleeping. As a doctor, I was taught, just like every other doctor, that there is no cure for neuropathy. We learned that the best we could hope for was to stop or slow down the progression. We were told that once nerve damage happened, it could not be reversed. We used to think there was no cure for neuropathy, only just a way to try to stop it from getting worse. But now, with laser therapy, we're seeing real progress. It helps nerve improve and reduce pain a lot. It's just not managing symptoms anymore. It's about actually making things better. Patient experience, improved sensation, balance, and reduce the need for medication. So if you or someone you know deal with neuropathy, this could be a big deal. It's giving hope to a lot of people about that things can actually improve, and let's keep looking forward to better way to treat the nerve damage. Thank you.